With a huge capacity and simple maintenance, this leisure dual fuel range cooker is perfect for those who love to cook. Featuring 5 gas burners, including a large wok burner, you can comfortably cook large meals using several pots and pans at the same time. Preparing delicious and more complex dishes is quick and simple. With a 175-litre capacity across 2 fan ovens, a conventional oven and integrated grill, there's more than enough space to create meals for large dinner parties and family get-togethers. Catalytic liners in the main oven cavity use heat to break down grease and fat that usually occurs while cooking. You won't have to spend hours scrubbing your oven clean, as you can simply use a cloth to wipe away any mess. This leisure dual fuel range cooker combines lots of practical cooking space with a striking stainless steel design, perfect for versatile home cooking.